Welcome back to 6 News at 5. It's time to take a look at your weather, and I have a whole lot of good news for you. We're going to start off real quick taking a look at this number right here because this has been zero for entirely too long, but we got almost a tenth of an inch out there in Waco today, and that is great news. It's not drought-busting rain. In fact, today has been mostly dry for most areas in central Texas, but the fact that there's anything in an official bucket, I will take it at this point. And I will take this too. 94 out there today, just a little bit above the average of 92, and far, far, far away from the 106 that we were dealing with back in 2011. Out there right now, we're actually seeing some areas fall into the 70s. Saw that cold front come through. That's why you see those north winds. A weak cold front. You can see most areas still in the 90s, but areas out to the northwest, again, falling into the lower 80s and upper 70s at this time. That cold front did stall out a little bit. It stalled right across parts of the Brazos Valley, East Texas, and that's good news for the rain chances because this could act as a focal point over the next couple of days for some shower and thunderstorm activity. It also means that those areas to the south are not going to get necessarily the benefits of the cold front. They're not going to necessarily see the cooler weather. And really, most of us aren't going to see much cooler weather. Again, it's primarily a wind shift and, again, the opportunity for some shower and thunderstorm activity. The other thing that's adding to our shower and thunderstorm chances is what we call zonal flow. Notice everything in the upper levels is just flowing basically due west to due east. Now, it's kind of a neutral flow. It's not a ridge. Doesn't mean overwhelming high pressure and heat. And it's also not a trough, so it doesn't mean necessarily a lot of rain and severe thunderstorms. It just means we have these little disturbances in the jet stream. They're going to now have the opportunity to move over the area over the next couple of days, and as they do so, will provide us with those rain and thunderstorm chances. So let's take a look here. So we're going to start with tonight. Not a lot going on for the rest of your evening, but by the middle of the night, as we get towards daybreak tomorrow, we start to see those chances pop into the area. By morning drive tomorrow, we're starting to see some showers stride across the area with another disturbance moving over in that zonal flow. And then by noon, we still see the rain and shower and thunderstorm chances with us. They stay with us basically till 4, 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow. So multiple chances tomorrow to see some rain. Now, let's take a look at Thursday because Thursday could be even more promising. You see some spotty showers developing before daybreak, and then by the 8 o'clock hour, by morning drive, we start to see some stronger rain move in from the west. Again, that's zonal flow. Everything flows west to east, so the best chances and highest coverage are going to be in our western counties. Put it back in motion by 11 a.m., you see a widespread possibility, at least according to this model, for shower and thunderstorms across central Texas, and it's out of the area by 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then by Friday, kind of like today. There's a chance, but it's not a great chance, but we're going to keep it in the forecast. So next best chances be the next 2 days. How much rain are we talking about? Well, in our western counties, could see 2.5 to 4 inches in some spot, possibly 4 to 6 by the end of Thursday. All of us in line for at least what looks to be about a half of an inch across central and southeast Texas. Temperatures tomorrow back into the 80s, and as we head through the next 7 days, those rain chances stay with us, and those temperatures stay below or at our normals for this time of the year. Back to you guys at the desk.